So the renovations on the White Lotus Resort are coming along really good. This roof was something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and we've done an incredible job. So when you come over here and it's raining, the doors don't get all wet because they were getting wet before, and it's really a nice addition. Really well done. And the inside, we've got all of the support for the drywall installed. The ceiling, and the electrician was here today to run the wires for the new stuff that I have added. But it's looking really good to me. It's one big room. So the dining table goes here. Big one, big dining table, 10 people. Over here is just a sitting area to sit by the garden. And over here we have a TV. Not a big TV, just a regular kind of TV. TV's not a big deal, I think. Every room has their own TV as well, but this is a nice spot for a sofa, and maybe even I was thinking about it before, a sofa bed. And that way I can say I have room for 10 people, because I have 4 rooms with 2 people in each, king-size beds. And if I have a sofa bed here for another 2 people, that means I can say it can service 10 people. So that is a big plus. But I think most of it will be families coming. So right now I'm draining the swimming pool. By the way, everybody's gone home. Here everybody gets paid once a month, but I pay them once a week. At the end of the week, I pay them, so they have money to send back to Burma. So now I gotta suck all the water out of the pool, and that's gonna take a long time, going by how long it's taking right now, because I want to go home soon. So we're gonna drain the entire pool, clean it right up, probably use the pressure washer, and any loose tiles should fall right off, and then we have to retile all the places where it's fallen off and redo all this stonework. And it looks really bad right now, the color, because I have had the pumps off for about 2 or 3 weeks. We had a bit of a leak, and I found the leak and fixed it, and so we've been testing it for a week, and we've really lost no water at all. So that means where I thought the leak was, it was where it was. Okay. So now we'll keep going for another couple of weeks, and then this place should be ready for renting. Bye for now.